Hello everyone, this is Geet Khurana. I have started my YouTube channel. This is my second video. After watching my first video, you all get to know that my channel is all about makeup and makeup. So here I am with my another video. It's all about college going girl makeup. So let's get started. So firstly I'm using the serum. I'm using ascorbic Fe serum. Firstly rub in your hand, then apply in your face on your face in a dab motion. After that, I'm using my moisturizer. It is Zabium Hydra from Bioderma. After that, I'm using SPF. I have Gilrs matte sunscreen. Now I'm using SQ baby cream. I'm blending with a blender. After blending my baby cream, now I'm setting my face with a matte contact with a Swiss Beauty powder brush. After setting my face, I'm gonna use the eyeliner. It is from Faces Canada. This is the sketch liner. Now I'm doing my second eye. After setting my face, I'm gonna use the eyeliner. It is from Faces Canada. This is the sketch liner. Now I'm doing my second eye. Now I'm using the blush. It's from Maybelline, the Peachy Sweetie blush. I'm using same the brush from Swiss Beauty. Now I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Believe me guys, after using the mascara, the scenario will be changed. You can use in lower lash also, but be careful. So I'm using the last one, lipstick from Smashbox in the shade, don't know guys, इधर shade नहीं लिखा. Now I'm using MAC का makeup fixer. You can use your blender also. Hope you guys like my video. Please, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.